about once or twice a year, I decide to finally clean my All-Clad pans because they get really gnarly. I don't do it all the time. I could, for sure, but I kind of save it till it gets really bad. So I'm gonna show you what I use. It's really easy. You've probably heard of it before. I know I've mentioned it before. It's Barkeeper's Friend, and it's just, you can get it anywhere. They have it in a container that's already kind of like a cleanser. It's already sort of like a cream. And that one's great for cleaning around the house, but for my pots and pans, I still really like the powder one. So I'll show you what I do and how easy it really is. So I'm just gonna put a little water in the pan, just to get it a little wet. And I just sprinkle the Barkeepers in there. And I use a Scotch-Brite pad. It is not steel wool. It does not have wool in it at all. And I just kind of go in a circular motion. Rinse it off. And then I clean it with regular dish soap. Just to make sure we got all that cleaner off before we cook with it. And I use Rebel Green dish soap. Alright, let me rinse that off. And there you have it. Almost like new.